Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is MF Dividend Stocks. I'm your host, Joe, and today we got a fun video. I'm really excited. Today we're going to be working on a challenge. This challenge, I'm kind of making up the rules as I go along. I just kind of made it up myself. And that challenge, like, for fun, this is not advice or anything like that. Tell me what stocks you think would double. You don't even have to invest in them. It's just to kind of keep a tally. I'm doing 4 and then a bonus stock. It's going to be, like, it's more for fun than anything. It's nothing crazy. So this is not advice for anyone. This is just to have a little fun with it, but it's like a little challenge. So I figured, if in the comments below, tell me where you're wrong, tell me where you're right, like where you think I'm right, or if I have a chance, not have a chance. And I think the rules are, it's going to be by the end of this year. So, like, if it's going to be a few months, the market starts to recover, I'll give updates like once a month on the challenge. I'm not going to buy any more of these stocks. Some of these stocks aren't dividend stocks. I think most of them. I think 3. I think only 1 is out of the 4. But it should be pretty fun. We're having a good day in the market today. Just a quick update. Also, I'm probably going to be doing videos on Tuesday, Thursday, and then again on Sundays. So that's where to look out for it. If you can subscribe, it's helped me out a lot. Guys are subscribing like on the daily. So we're having a nice thing. We're getting good comments, good conversations going. I'm really appreciating everybody that's subbing to the channel. So make sure you sub. And please, if you can, like the video if you do. It helps out so much. Alright, so the data market's good. I'm mostly in green. Ford's taking a little bit of hit. But Wells Fargo came back like crazy. So that's a good buy. Hopefully some of you guys got into that. If anybody got into that or was into it at the same time, please let me know. Comcast is doing really good. Everybody's doing great. It's like a great day. Like from the lows. Not total, but from the lows. Ford's still trailing behind them, but that's about it. So today, we have $100. It's not going to be nothing crazy. Just like everybody, money's a little tight. So first thing we're going to go into. I know you've probably been hearing this, and it already made a little bounce, so I want to do this video before it makes more bounces, because a lot of people made bounces already. Carnival. It's a cruise ship. Everybody knows you go on vacation, get a little cruise, go on a Carnival. They've been hit with this. It's going to take a while for them to bounce back. But how I feel like, let's go like 1 year just to make it easy. So this is my reasoning behind it. So the low, this is where I thought around the video where it was around, like I think it was 8 something, maybe a little bit higher. But now they're up to 12.45, and I was like, I need to make this video before it's harder for me to double my money. This is one that could get really good. So if you look before the drop, just take a little bit of a low here. 41. So you're thinking at minimum, hopefully, if they build it up back by the end of the year, this is probably going to double. So I thought it might be fun. So this is the first one we're going to do. We're going to make a buy. We're going to make a buy. I'll just buy them as we go. All right. So we're going to do 4 shares. $49. We're gonna make this. What is this? $12.45, right? We're gonna make this a limited order. I'm just going to put it in, and then I'll fix it if something happens if I can't get the stock. I just don't want to do a market order. Boom, boom, boom. Hours. Review order. Alright, I'm just confirming the order. That's what it is. Estimated cost, $49. I think that is right. A little bit higher, but that's about what I'm thinking what it is. Done. So that's the first one. So we're at $49 and some odd change. I'll save that. We'll see if we can double from there. Or just like $12.45. Pretty much the same thing, right? Alright, so let's go back. And the next stock we're going to get into is Camp. It's like Cal Amp. I'm not going to go over it too much, but about the company itself, because I'm trying to make the videos a little bit quicker. But we're at 467 right now. And the day that had the low was 411, but it looks like, you know, say this low, 9. So I should be able to double it, hopefully, by the end of the year, if this comes back up. It is a 50% buy, so that's good. People are starting to buy it, so I might have a good thing. All right, so let's do this again. We're doing 4 shares again. All right, 4 shares, going to get 18. We'll do a limit order. 4 shares at, we're doing 467. Good. All right, now we're going to do an order, then I'm going to skip it. You're going to see at the end. All right, we got 4 shares at the cost of 18 bucks. And we're done. I'm just seeing when my information pops up, so I just gotta make sure I don't think it does it anymore. So we got the 4 shares. Back to the portfolio. That's when all these things are like, to me, they're risky because you don't know what's gonna happen. So that's why it's like low money, but I figure it'd be fun to add a couple of shares. The next one up is Hertz. And this is probably a bad time. Well, there's plenty of time if these companies actually recover. A year. So right now, we're at 610. And if you go back to like January, before the market started today, it was 20. So maybe like 12. But say if they come back to, this low at 19, that's 13. So that would double my money. So again, we're doing another 4 shares at 610. We'll do a limit order. And we'll do it at 610. Execute. Review order. 4 shares, blah, blah, blah. Pretty good. 6 to the share. Order placed. 24.40. Not bad. All right. So now we got Hertz. Hertz is a rental car company. You should know this stuff already. If you don't know who Hertz is, I guess they could not be in your area, but they're a rental car place, which took a major dive when this all started, because obviously people are moving around, so they're not renting cars. Now I think they rent equipment out too, so all this stuff really like slowed down and stopped. So this is another one that I feel for fun can double in price. So I'm figuring by the end of the year, say it doubles in price or it hits the double in price, I'm probably just going to sell it because a lot of these stocks don't do dividends. This is just to see if I can get, you know, some extra money, maybe turn $100 into like $200, $250, depending on how good they do, and I'll sell them at different times, and I'll keep you updated as it goes. But I feel like a fair thing is like to the end of the year. I wish I could do this with more money in different stocks. So I thought it would be a lot of like really fun. But and the last one I just found before I came to do this video. This is just like totally like, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. This is Groupon. Groupon's like an online service that, if I remember, I don't know if it's into other things, but I just saw it. The buys 36, holds 36, sells 27, so people are getting out of it. But it's really, really cheap. It's really cheap. Oh, give me 1 second. Buying power. Okay, no, I got it right here. Buying power is $7.31. Okay, so it's 89 cents. So we could buy 7, because it's so cheap. 7, 8 stocks maybe. What would 8 do for us? 7, 12. That's like perfect. 8 stocks. Alright, so we get deals on Groupon. Like maybe it might not work out. I don't know. This one's just like for fun because I just found it. And I was like, whatever's left over, I'll just do this one. So this is $89. Right here it's at $1.70. Up here before the crash is at $3. Down here is at 2 something. So I figured it should be an easy one. So, well, let's do this one too. Buying power. Wait, did I miss something? Estimated cost $7. Buying power $7.31. All right, so we'll do 7. That should be enough. Oh, that's what I gotta do. Hold on, I messed this up. Limit order. I messed up the limit order. So we'll do 8 again, I think. Would that work? So 0.89. And now we review. Buy 8 shares. And we're done. Estimated cost $7.12. So like I'm not gonna go crazy. Like if the other ones need some money, Groupon will probably get less or just be out. It's the worst thing that'll happen. But I want to do that. So like challenges to you, like for fun, just tell me the stocks that you think will double and what the price is at the time of saying it. Just put it in the remarks. Say I think it's Walmart. It's like $122 a stock. I think that's gonna double to $240 by the end of the year. Might be ridiculous. $244. Might be ridiculous, but what the hell? You never know, right? So that's my challenge. Let's look at well, I don't have the stocks yet, so I'll get them tomorrow morning. This is like Thursday to Wednesday night. So I'll have these tomorrow morning. The next video will be out Sunday, where we're gonna go over some news about the weekend. We'll check to see, I'll tell you guys what happened with the stocks, if I had to buy them for a little bit more, so for resetting stuff. But as the orders go through and everything gets set, I didn't want to do market orders because I didn't want them to bounce up and down. So I just try to put a price on it. And I don't know, we might have a little fun with this. Like if Carnival goes back up, that's like tripling my money. So let me think about what you want. Like think about like what you like and let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like. Please rate the video. If you hate it, you hate it. But if you like it, you like it. And subscribe. I need to keep that up. I need like another subscriber or two today. Help me out, boys. Help me out. All right, guys. Later.